Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about forceps delivery. So coming to introduction first, that obstetric forceps is a double-bladed metal instrument used for the extraction of the fetal head. When the fetal head is big or it is unable to come out, that time we can use this metal instrument to take out the head of the baby or to deliver the head of the baby. This instrument is applied fetal head on, and then the operative uses traction to extract the fetus, typically during a contraction while the mother is pushing. Next, design of forceps. So forceps is composed of two branches. So each branches has four compartments, that is blade, shank, lock and handle. Each blade has two cups. One is cephalic cups, one is pelvic cups. Cephalic cup means the part which is going to touch the fetal heart, and the pelvic curve is the part which is going to touch the pelvis of the mother. So this is the two different side of the forceps, and it has four parts: blade, shank, lock and handle. Okay, this is the picture of forceps. If you see in the picture, the interior part, that inside, this is called as cephalic. The outsider part is called as pelvic, and from here to here, this area is called as blade, and from this part we'll call it is shank. This is called as lock, and the last part we will call handle. So there is composed of two separate blade that will join together. So this is the parts of pelvis: cephalic curve, pelvic curve, blade, shank and handle. We have different type of forceps based on the shape and size. So here you can see one picture which is the example of Tucker MC Len. So it will be like these two parts, 1 and 2. Then only we have to join it together. And I have shown you the picture how many parts is there, 4 parts. Again, if I am showing in this part to this part is called as cephalic, or this is the curve. This is called as shank. If we join this both together, we will call as lock, and from here to here it is called as handle. We have some other types like Killet forceps and Pfeiffer forceps. So there are different type of forceps is available. It is based on the patient we are going to apply it. So there are three categories of forceps. One is long curved, one is short curved, one is Killet forceps. The basic construction of this forceps is the same in that each consists of two halves. It means it has two blades and it articulated by a lock. Now I am going to show you one by one what is long curved forceps, what is short curved forceps and what is Killet forceps. So this is how long curved for obstetric forceps is look. You can see it is different two parts or two blades. It is joining together by the help of lock. So it is 37 centimeter long. Okay, and it is mainly for the Indian woman. It is good. It is based on the size of the pelvis and the baby. So if you take a measurement, it is 37 centimeter long, which has a difference between the two blades. It is 2.5 centimeter, and the widest diameter between the blade is 9 centimeter. So it have blades, shank, lock and handle with or without screw. So first one is blade. The blade is penetrated to facilitate a good trip of the fetal head. There is usually a slot in the lower part of the fenestrum of the blade to allow the upper end of the axis traction rod to be fitted. The toe of the blade refers to the tip and the heel to the end of the blade that is attached to the shank. The blade has two curves. One is pelvic and one is cephalic. Pelvic means the ends which is going to touch the pelvic floor or the muscle of the woman, that is pelvic curve. Another one is cephalic curve which is going to touch the fetal head, that is called as cephalic curve. Next part is shank. So it is a part between the blade and the long, and it usually measures 6.25 centimeter. Next one is lock. The common method of articulation consists of a socket system located on the shank and at its junction with the handle. Next one we have handle. The handle are opposed when the blades are articulated. It measures about 2.5 centimeter and there is a finger guard on which a finger can be placed during the traction. Next, this is about the short curve obstetric forceps. So it is lighter, about 1/3 of the weight of an ordinary long curve forceps. Instrument is short due to the reduction in the length of the shank and handle, and it has a marked cephalic curve with a slight pelvic curve. Ringless forceps are nearly ideal outlet forceps, lightweight of length like around 27.5 centimeter. The max distance between the closed blade is 7.5 and the tip of the blade is 2.5 centimeter. So we have seen the long curve distance, that is 37 approximately. So short curve is 27 centimeter length. Next one is keyled forceps. It is a long, almost straight obstetric forceps without any traction device, and it has got a sliding lock which facilitates correction of the head. One small knob on each blade is directed towards the occiput. So here I have shown you the three different category of forceps: long curved, short curved and keyled forceps.